Hello, welcome back to Hustle Diaries. Hello, everybody. For those who are new here, again, this is Marianne, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in the warm Ontario, Canada. I'm a wife, a mom, and someone who's learning that sometimes the hardest part isn't doing the thing, it's when you start doing the thing, right? So for today's topic, I thought that it would be good to for us to talk about delay. Delay pattern. Okay, can I ask you something? What is that one thing you've been saying? I'll start later, right? So maybe exercising, spring cleaning your home, right? Or a projects you've been wanted to work on for like a long time. Or maybe it's starting taking better care of yourself. That's one too. For many of us, it's not that we don't want to do it. It's the way we keep pushing it to another day. Alam mo yung parang next Monday na lang. Yan, mahilig tayo eh. Kunwari, weekend na, di ba? Tama-tama, sakto, next Monday na lang. Yan. Or, kapag medyo marami ng time, or kapag hindi na busy, or, ito, ang madalas, kapag ready na ako. Oh, sounds familiar? Yes. Kasi ako na-realize ko rin yan na later can become a habit. Right? And before we know it, weeks turn into months, months turn into years, and we're still standing in the same place. The funny thing is, we often think we need more motivation. Yan, dun tayo sa start. Sometimes, what we really need is one small action. Because that action creates momentum. And then, yung momentum, nagkikreate ng progress. Diba? And we don't need to finish everything today. Hindi naman ganun agad-agad, diba? Kailangan lang natin mag-start. Ano ba? One page. One walk. One phone call. One small step. That's it. Yun na naman eh. I've learned that waiting for the perfect time usually keeps us waiting more. Because life will always be busy. Alam mo yan. And there will always be something competing for our attention. So, instead of asking, when is the perfect time? Maybe, ang itanong natin sa sarili natin is, ano ba yung one small thing na pwede kong gawin ngayon? Right? Because the small actions done consistently, I've been telling this, can create big changes over time. So, today, ito ang pag-iisipan natin, ha? What have you been saying na, later na lang? I'll start later. Yan. And what's that one small step na pwede nyo namang i-take this week? And then remember that progress doesn't come from waiting. It comes from starting. Okay. Thank you for spending a few minutes again with me here, Hustle Diaries. Take care. Keep moving forward, one small step at a time. And I'll see you for day 17. Bye.